Grow your own leeks, a beginner's guide. Ready to add a touch of gourmet to your garden? Leeks are surprisingly easy to grow, even for beginners. In this video, we'll guide you through every step, from seed to delicious harvest. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your homegrown leeks. Leeks belong to the Allium family, making them cousins to onions and garlic. But don't let that fool you. Their flavor is much milder and sweeter. Think of them as the sophisticated sibling of the onion family. The edible part of a leek is its long, cylindrical stalk. We primarily use the white and light green portions in cooking. Leeks are a cool season crop, thriving in milder temperatures. One of the best things about leeks is how low maintenance they are. Once established, they practically take care of themselves. This makes them perfect for beginner gardeners. You have two main options when starting your leek growing journey: seeds or seedlings. Both have their pros and cons, so let's explore them. Which path will you choose? Starting from seeds is more economical. You'll get more plants for your money. However, it requires more patience, as it takes longer to reach harvest. To start seeds indoors, sow them 8–10 weeks before the last expected frost. You can also direct sow outdoors once the soil is workable in spring. Just make sure the soil temperature is right. Seedlings offer a faster route to harvest. You'll skip the initial germination and early growth stages. This is a great option if you're eager to see results quickly. When selecting seedlings, look for healthy plants with strong, upright stems. Avoid any that appear wilted or yellowed. Healthy starts lead to healthy leeks. Leeks thrive in full sun and well-drained soil. Choose a spot in your garden that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. This will ensure strong, healthy growth. Before planting, prepare the soil by amending it with compost or other organic matter. This will improve drainage and provide essential nutrients. Healthy soil is the foundation for a successful leek crop. To plant, dig a trench that is 6–8 inches deep. This trench will provide support for the young leeks and allow for hilling later on. Think of it as a cozy little bed for your leeks. Space your seedlings about 6 inches apart within the trench. This gives them enough room to grow without overcrowding. Proper spacing is key for healthy development. As the leeks grow, gradually fill the trench with soil. This process is called hilling. It's a crucial step for producing long white stems. Hilling helps to blanch the stems, making them tender and mild. It also protects the stems from sunlight, which can cause them to turn green and become tougher. Water your leeks regularly, especially during dry spells. Consistent moisture is essential for healthy growth. Don't let them dry out. Fertilize your leeks every few weeks with a balanced fertilizer. This will provide them with the nutrients they need to thrive. A little extra food goes a long way. Let's talk more about hilling. It's the secret to those beautiful white leek stems you see in the grocery store. It's not just for looks, it improves the flavor and texture too. Remember, hilling blocks sunlight from reaching the lower part of the leek stem. This prevents chlorophyll production, resulting in a white, tender stalk. The more you hill, the longer the white part will be. Leeks are generally quite resilient, but they can be susceptible to certain pests. Keep an eye out for onion thrips and leek moths. Early detection is key. If you spot any pests, treat them with insecticidal soap or other organic methods. Prevention is always better than cure, so inspect your plants regularly. Leeks are generally disease-resistant. However, good air circulation and proper watering can help prevent any potential problems. Avoid overhead watering to minimize the risk of fungal diseases. The moment you've been waiting for, harvest time. Leeks are typically ready to harvest in the fall, about 4–6 months after planting. Patience is a virtue, but the reward is well worth it. To harvest, loosen the soil around the leek and gently pull it up. You can harvest them gradually as needed, leaving the rest to continue growing. Fresh leeks whenever you want them. Before using your leeks, it's essential to clean them thoroughly to remove any soil. Leeks tend to trap dirt between their layers, so a good rinse is crucial. To clean, slice off the root end and the tough, dark green leaves. Then, rinse the remaining stalk under cold water, making sure to get between the layers. A clean leek is a happy leek. Leeks are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. They can be used in soups, stews, quiches, stir-fries, and even salads. Their mild flavor adds a subtle sweetness to any dish. Here's a quick recap of our top tips for growing amazing leeks. Plant in a sunny location. Water consistently. Hill regularly for longer white stems. Clean thoroughly before using. Follow these simple tips, and you'll be well on your way to a bountiful leek harvest. Growing your own leeks is a rewarding experience. Not only will you have fresh, delicious vegetables at your fingertips, but you'll also gain a sense of accomplishment. It's a win-win. So, what are you waiting for? Give it a try. Even if you're a beginner, you can successfully grow leeks at home. We believe in you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. We're always sharing new ideas and inspiration.